Broadside is a public announcement. These are ways to communicate from the government or any interested party to the general public. Every colony was sent a published copy, a printed copy of the Declaration, which was run off with incredible speed for the time. It was run off overnight from July 4th to July 5th, 1776, sent by post riders as quickly as possible to each of the individual states. That's to tell them, you are now states, you're no longer colonies. And then put in the hands of a local printer, in this case Solomon Southwick. We have very few surviving copies of these because they were ephemeral. They were hot news for their time. And once they were read, they had served their purpose.
I think because we are Americans, each of us has some concept of what that means. And I think each of us is able to draw a direct connection between what we believe being American is to these documents. If you go to Washington, you go to the mall, you visit the National Archives, there is a line always of people there squinting at that vanishing document that's barely legible anymore. We all feel a sense of ownership of it. A part of our identity is defined by these documents.
One of the more interesting things about our document, the Southwick document, in fact, like all the documents that derive from the so-called Dunlop document, which was the one printed in Philadelphia, the 200 or so that were printed there, is that they lack the word unanimous on them. They say Congress, the representatives, not unanimous declaration, because New York had not yet made its decision officially to sign on to declaring independence legally, constitutionally, from the British Empire. This is a persuasive document, and for that reason, it is disseminated broadly. It sparks conversation. It's designed to spark conversation, because out of conversation comes consensus, agreement, and consent.